welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Rachna. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and let's get started. In today's video, I will try to learn a BLACKPINK dance or choreography, and the song is Hit You With That. Also, this video is just for fun. I'm not a professional dancer or even a dancer. So yeah, let's get started. So this is the tutorial that I will try to follow and learn from. I quickly changed the top because the camera was not picking up the color or whatever.
We're going to bring both of our feet together and then have both of our arms come in, still parallel to the ground. And then on 3, we're going to step out just a tiny bit with our right foot and have our arms tilt this way as well as our head. And then on 4, we're going to step out with our left foot and then bring our arms in like this. Make sure the back of your hands are facing forward. Okay, so let's go over those 4 moves again, slowly. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so let's move on to the next part. Do-do-do-do-do. So shoot 3 times with your hands. So every time they're going to be pointing forward, and then they kind of bounce it off a bit. You bring it up, and then you do it again and again. So that's on count 7, 8, 1. And with your body, you're going to have your hip shift to the right first. On the first time when you hit it, so it goes doo-doo. And then the next time we're going to shift it to the left. And then the third one, we're going to initiate, and then it's going to go to the next group. Okay, so let's go over that. We're here. We're on 3, 4. Hit you with that do-do-do-do. So let's review the first 8 count all together. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hit you with that do-do-do-do. Okay, ready? 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hit you with that do-do-do-do. You're going to bounce off it. You bring it to the side.
It's not that hard that I thought it would be.
I think I'm doing a good job till now. I don't know.
Wait for the end to see if I learned it or not. So yeah, watch till the end. So I've learned almost everything, means I only learned chorus because
We'll learn the whole song. It's so difficult.
anyways I've learned the chorus part. I have to still practice it on the sound, and the sound is way too fast. It's too fast. So let's see. Hit you with that do-do-do-do-do. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Hit you with that do-do-do-do. Okay, then that is it for today's video. I really hope you liked it, and if you did, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.